I recently purchased the SanDisk Extreme Portable 2TB external SSD, and I can say that I am very pleased with its performance. I chose it in the 2TB variant to benefit from increased storage capacity for my creative projects. Even with this large data volume, the transfer speeds are impressive, thanks to the USB 3.2 Gen 2 interface and the latest generation NVMe technology. In benchmarks, we achieved speeds of up to 950 megabits per second reading and writing, and in real use, copying a large number of files or transferring a large 4K movie is extremely fast. In the package, we find the SSD, a cable from USB-C to USB-C, and an adapter from USB-C to USB-A. The case is just as compact and robust as the 1TB variant, only with double the storage volume. The small weight and size means I can take it with me wherever I need it, whether it's photo and video projects or various work files. Even though it has 2TB, the occupied space is minimal, so the SSD fits perfectly in a bag, backpack, or even a pocket. Price-quality assessment for the SanDisk Extreme Portable 2TB SSD uses USB 3.2 Gen 2. Interface and NVMe protocol for very high transfer speeds, up to 1050 megabits per second. Shock and vibration-resistant aluminum casing, IP55 certification. Compact size and low weight for excellent portability. 256-bit AES hardware encryption for enhanced security. 5-year warranty provided by an established brand, SanDisk. Overall, the build quality is premium and real-world performance is very good. Price. It's a competitive price compared to similar external SSDs, excellent storage capacity price ratio, considering it offers 2. The materials used are premium, and the increased protection against shocks, dust, and moisture make it ideal for active use. In conclusion, the 2TB variant of the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD gives me double the capacity for projects in the same compact and rugged form factor with excellent transfer speeds. I confidently recommend both the 1TB and 2TB versions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give a like. You have all the links in the description.